Hello, everyone, friends. Another small package is priced at $36.32 grams.
32 грамма он весит. В общем, здесь должен быть переходник Displayport, то Hdmi.
Converters for Displayport.
Displayport можно подключить было другой кабель Hdmi и вывести изображение на монитор. Дело не в этом. С этой посылкой вообще
A very interesting situation happened in general. I ordered it on February 14th. On February 14th, and then on March 14th I received a notification. He gave a tracking number, killed it, and the application is sold. What is accepted in the Latvian post office? That is, it went through Latvia. Yes, Latvia, Latvian post. They write to the seller, "What is this?" I say, "A month has passed, and you just sent it." In general, he is there, this and that, something. If you have problems, in short, they start this song of theirs. In general, after a couple of days of misunderstanding, in general, he went and extended this protection period. I don't know for how long, 20, 30 days. In general, now I have 19 days left. And in general, on March 28th, as they write to me, the offer was delivered in 13 days, yes, well, 2 weeks. In the end, the parcel took a month and a half to arrive. If it had been sent immediately, it would have arrived in 2 weeks. Okay, fine. Let's see. That means $1.36. So, the real price I took was 259 rubles 21 kopecks. I took the black one. I didn't take the most expensive one so that it would let through 4 kopecks. Now it costs, if I take the same one, then black. Delivery comes out to be more than 2,300 rubles. Here, and if full HD in 1080 and take it costs 150 rubles, and this is 250 difference rubles, you understand. On I already thought I'll take. Good, so that I can display the image on the TV. The theme of the game, because the video card I really especially for to all the same. So as not to switch the connectors on the video card back and forth. I thought it would be reasonable to get an adapter than to wait until I sell my video card. I'll save up some money and buy a newer one. Still, as they say, how much is it? 300 rubles, as they say, is not 30,000 rubles, right? DP HDMI, high quality, good service, competitive price in general.
Competitive price. В общем, как-то вот так все это выглядит. Надписи, кто умеет переводить. В принципе, что-то competitive price.
So, we open the package.
Что-то такое процент. Так, пакетик у нас открывается. отвязать все-таки еще. Можно так открыть. Все, да? Так, вот такой Hdmi 4К и 2К. Ну да, в основном, если я говорю, играю в 2К на 4К телевизор. Вот так вот он выглядит. Здесь вот Hdmi. Сюда
This is connected accordingly. The video card goes in like this.
Видеокарту заходит. Значит, вот такой. Фу, пахнет.
This wire smells. It stinks. I would even say. And it has some kind of mechanical damage here. I have no idea where they came from. Look and see, I have no idea where they came from like this.
Понятия не имею, откуда они взялись. Так.
Well, I hope it will work because this is the second one I've ordered. The first one arrived unfortunately didn't work. It worked like.
К сожалению, не работал. Он работал как
How can I say like a monitor battery or something? It was also like this, only it had a Hdmi and.
такой, только у него на Hdmi он
It was narrow, but this tall. That is.
То есть, сейчас я вам покажу. Так, вот в общем, в таком пакетике он тоже.
It arrived. It says Displayport here, also an HDMI adapter. It said the same thing. This is what it looks like. It's still in the film. You see, I didn't even take it off. Like this, it has a connector and damn, you'll recognize them. They are absolutely identical, these plugs.
Абсолютно одинаково вот эти вот штекера.
Then things get different. Here the wire is thinner, here it's thicker, and so it's exactly the same. Well, I don't know. People write that, damn, it works. Well, I don't know. This one doesn't work for me. I don't know. I took it apart, looked, in general, what's here. But the TV sort of perceives it. If you connect HDMI here, it will see, as if something is connected, but it does not transmit a digital image.
Цифровое изображение не передает. Ну, не знаю. Пойдемте пробовать вот этот кабель. Сейчас.
Let's connect it, let's see if it works now. Everything camera. Let's continue, friends, in the comments there, don't bomb too much.
В комментариях там сильно не бомбите. Мне одной рукой все-таки неудобно.
Do everything, remove sitting position, car sides. Oh well, somehow I still need to do it, damn it hurts, I can't ever stretch.
Сделать, блин. Блять, я не могу никак дотянуться, но...
So now I'll pull out the plug here, it is like this, turn on.
Заглушку. Вот она. Во-во-во. Так, это... Если так... Значит, мне это надо включать.
Damn, how so, I understand. So here next to it I plug in with HDMI.
Так, вот рядом втыкаю с HDMI. Во. Вот у нас HDMI. И вот лежит кабель.
Which needs to be plugged, damn, I didn't do it on my hand. So pause while everything is on, so everything is connected, everything is connected.
Значит, все подключилось, все подключено.
Works, everyone went to this.
Так, ну все, пошли на этот.
The computer beeped that something was connected to it. Let's go see what happened there. So, it's the computer. Okay, wait a minute. I'll turn off the light. How is it here? So probably the screen parameter is given to enter yes. Now a second monitor has appeared, and this is the second.
непонятно.
Expand these screens, duplicate these screens, save. Well, here I have what is turned on.
Ну, вот здесь у меня включено то, что это.
Well, like, it's HDMI for now, which I connected, but there's no image. But, so, determine. Detect another display not detected this turn.
Что делать теперь? Я не знаю. Дополнительные параметры настройки рабочего стола, разрешение 8 бит RGB.
But here's the display for Samsung. Well, this is it. Look.
Он видит его.
Desktop Full HD. This is as a display for the display.
60 Гц, 8 бит RGB. Свойства видеоадаптера для дисплея 2.
But it doesn't open the adapter property well. It will open for the first one, and it doesn't open for the first one. It's strange to determine like this duplicate, and if you expand these screens,
Расширить эти экраны.
determine. This is the first one. There should be a second one there. Detect. We won't detect. Nothing on the TV, in short, is happening.
Так, ладно, сейчас попробуем. Возьму пульт. Может, что всплывет. Так. Вот, видите? Чик. Источник.
I charge people who, and there is no picture, but I may not be there yet.
Нету. Но ее может еще и не быть. Почему? Почему?
I don't understand. It will show that the account is already connected to the chick, but there is no picture. Well, such crap happens. Now I'll try. Replugging the connector will fix the position in.
Может, как исправить положение? Бывает такая дичь, то что местами меняешь кабеля, и телевизор не с первого раза показывает картинку. Наверное, это лучше будет сделать. Так, на самом дисплей-порту. Так, отключить его. Вот он отключился. Давайте заново подключим. Но ничего не происходит. К сожалению. Нет, он видит монитор, а почему картинку не дает? Так, а погодите-ка, может... Мне надо было включить его не в этот, не в последний, а в самый первый разъем. Ну-ка, давайте-ка. Я переткну его. Самый первый. Или в самый последний, это хрен поймешь. Вот в этот вот. Не, ничего не поменялось. Странно.
Strange. So, what if I pull it out now?
Монитор, который монитор.
And put it in this.
В этот переходник он будет работать? Да, он работает.
Can you imagine? It's interesting. That is, I connected my monitor to it and...
То есть я подключил свой монитор к нему, и он заработал. Так, очень интересно. Так, а заработает ли сейчас телевизор, если я его, блин, включу в этот, в HDMI? Странно. Так, ну-ка. Да, появилась картинка, исчезла. И появилась, она, видать, что-то настроилась. Ну, блин, хотя бы так. Хотя бы так.
This is what's happening now. Oh, it's getting worse and worse for me.
Хуже, хуже становится.
Okay, that's it. Look. And this one works. And this one works. Anyway, I connected this Dell monitor to this adapter, and it turned on.
Вот этот монитор Dell, да, к этому переходнику, и он включился.
And the TV just turned on in HDMI.
В HDMI порт воткнул, который это...
Which is the only one in the video card, and everything works.
Так. Теперь можно расширить эти экраны. Вот. Ага.
It turned out interesting now. For some reason, this one in 4K went.
Этот в 4К ушел.
This one, this full HD needs to be swapped. So this one is 100% full HD.
100% Full HD. Так, а ну-ка.
Oh no, this one in 4K, as I understand it, went, right? Damn. Oh, it came to the other side. That is, yes, that is this my first one? Or what? Damn, somewhere. Somewhere there is no second one to determine, oh yeah, this second one shows it is the first one.
Так, определить. Ну да, этот второй показывает. А это первый. Непорядок. Так, ну ладно. Тут уже я...
I'll figure it out. The fact is that it worked. At least this way. Okay. At least it worked this way. And by the way, I didn't check this adapter like that, whether it would work or not. I'll check it now and tell you whether it works like that or not. Maybe these TVs just don't work like that. I don't know why with adapters. The image is visible, and the computer recognized it as a Samsung TV, 4K, all that stuff. Now, just a second. No, in general, it still didn't work. I plugged it into the DisplayPort and connected the cable from the monitor, and no emotions. The computer doesn't even see it. Something that is connected to some device. In general, not working. That's it, by everyone. I'll leave links in the description to this adapter. And there will also be a link to a cashback service with which you can save. That's it. Good luck to everyone. Bye.